Hello everyone, welcome back to my Tech Tips. Hope you guys are doing great and keeping safe. In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 features of Windows 11. Yes, we are shooting this video before the launch of Windows 11 officially. Since you all know the Windows 11 has leaked before its official launch, so we will give you some of the important changes what Windows 11 has when compared to Windows 10, so that you will be prepared or you will have an idea before using Windows 11 itself. We strongly recommend you not to install the pirated version of Windows 11. Let's wait for the official version of Windows 11 and explore it to a greater extent. This is just a trailer of Windows 11. Yep, let's get started. Before that, if you guys are new to My Tech Tips, please subscribe to My Tech Tips. That would be really great and motivating too. Let's get started. We all know in Windows 7, Windows 8 and in Windows 10, the animations are pretty much same. But a version of OS which didn't get that much popular, that is Windows Vista. I think that's right after Windows XP launch. If you have used Windows Vista, you would have noticed all the background are kind of really glossy finishes, and if you open an app, the desktop will be little bit kind of blurred. I think the same applies to Windows 11 as well. I'm not sure how people gonna take it. I think there is going to be two category of people. One category gonna love this feature, who loves Windows Vista as well, and some other category who gonna hate it. I'm not sure how Windows 11 gonna handle this. App icons and multitasking windows. In Windows 11, app icons gone through a modernization. Starting from File Explorer to lot of other apps, app icons has been changed a lot. Along with that, the Windows 11 is giving much more importance to the multitasking window. Windows always stick to some kind of an sharp corner edges, but in Windows 11, all the panels have gone through a round modernization. That's kind of a weird change. I didn't expect that from Windows 11. I hope Windows will be giving some kind of option to change that curvature. Let me know in the comment section below, are you going to like this feature or not? Windows icon has changed. Most of the releases of Windows had some change in Windows logo. Similarly, in Windows 11 also, the logo has gone through a modernization. This logo looks like kind of more boxed version, like all the 4 pieces in the Windows logo looks exactly the same size. Let me know in the comment section below, when compared to the previous version of Windows logo, how do you like this logo? Don't forget to comment it below. Widgets are back. Yes. In Windows 7, widgets has given lot of importance, but in Windows 8 and Windows 10, it's not that popular. And Windows 11 again giving its importance back to widgets. Since Windows 11 is giving lot of importance to widgets, I hope to see lot of much more useful widgets when compared to the previous version of widget library. Let's wait and watch. Probably if the Windows 11 has lot of cool widgets, we will end up making a video top 10 widgets in Windows 11. Not sure how it's gonna go. Let's wait and watch. Improved touchscreen experience. As we all know, Windows 8 or Windows 10 are not that much compatible or user-friendly for touchscreen devices. People who are on a Surface devices or any Microsoft touch devices, I think they're gonna see much more major impactful change. As we all know, in last year, Xbox has launched dedicated premium services for PC as well. So by getting a monthly premium, you'll be able to play lot of games in Xbox PC as well. That's kind of a good move from Windows 11. I think sometime back in macOS as well, we got this dark mode feature. I think Windows 11 is also trying to do that. We can get a dark mode in previous version of Windows, but that's not up to the point. If you are someone who used PC for a long time or loves dark mode, then this feature is going to be much more handy. Actually, using dark mode will reduce stress on your eyes. Dark mode eventually will cut the blue lights. If you are someone who doesn't like dark mode but still want to give some care to your eyes, I would suggest you to install Flex app. This is not a sponsored video, but I am recommending this app because I personally use this app. You can set some timing. Based on that, you can control the blue light emitting from the screen. Just check that out. In Windows 11, you are going to get. Hope you like the sound. But still, there's an alternate way to change the sound. You can go to the settings and play around and keep your custom voice track or custom song as your login sound. These are the top 10 features we felt it changed rapidly when compared to Windows 10. What do you think about this? What do you think which is the best feature in Windows 11? Please comment in the comment section below. Hope you guys like this video. If you like that, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you so much.